Hey everyone, welcome to KB_R0. I'm KB, a designer, VFX artist, and animator. On this channel, I'll share tips, tutorials, and behind the scenes looks at my creative process. If you love design, VFX, and animation, hit subscribe and join the journey of bringing imagination to life. Let's create something amazing together. Don't forget to hit like and share and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Let's get into it.
Fuck you, you plus 5 more. Please don't call me, I don't need your vibe no more. Sitting where the big boys at, whips on the cowboy thing. From to the mountain peak, I pray my foes keep fighting.
Africa is.
Fuck you, you plus 5 more. Please don't come here, I don't need your vibe no more. Mommy, would you go? Mommy, would you go low, low on me? Mommy, would you go low, low? Mommy, would you go? Mommy, would you go low, low on me? Zizi, mommy, would you go low, low? I don't wanna care no more. It's fuck you, you plus 5 more. Please don't come here, I don't need your vibe no more. Sitting where the big boys at, whips on the cowboy thing. From to the mountain peak, I pray my foes keep fighting. I don't understand what they sing, they be hissing.